Alright, what's going on YouTube? So today is going to be a very fun video to film. We are going to be testing out the Apple Watch Ultra 2. In our day, we're going to the Edmonton Oilers versus Toronto Maple Leafs hockey game later tonight, which is going to be amazing. Checking out Studio 99 Lounge and buffet restaurant thingy-majig. We're also going to be heading over to the gym and to the swimming pool shortly to test out the workout features as well as the new depth sensor on the Ultra 2. Many fun activities. Might also head over to the mall, so follow along. It is currently 6:36 a.m. I did sleep with my Apple Watch Ultra and I did not charge it, so this is the battery percentage that it was at last night, and currently it is, I believe, at 59%. So let's see if it can hold up all day. It is 6:36 a.m. and my day will probably end at around midnight, so let's see. Alright guys, we just got to the gym. Hopefully it's an empty house, so let's check it out. Alright, what's going on guys? So it is currently 7:23 a.m. What's crazy is that I woke up just about 50 minutes ago and I've already burned 176 calories and my heart rate is at 96. So we had a little quick 20 minute basketball session in. There was another guy that was playing in here. I think he left for work, but he seemed pretty good and he had a decent size advantage over me. He was maybe about 6'3", 195 pounds I'd say. So I tried 1v1ing him, but he said no and disappeared. So I guess we're not getting a little game in to this video, unfortunately. But I'll just set my tripod down. I brought the 𝗙𝗯𝗲𝗯cie MT33 tripod. So if you guys didn't watch that video, make sure to go check it out at the top of your screen. And matter of fact, the 𝗙𝗯𝗲𝗯cie MT33 does actually come with not only the little bolt for your camera, but also comes with a tripod that you could set in and out for your phone, just like so. So I will set my iPhone 15 Pro, which this video is being filmed completely on, to the ground, and try to get a little shots in. I have not played basketball in maybe 2 months. Like the last time I seriously played was probably in like early October, I would say, early mid-October. So about 3 months ago. It is already mid-January. So I've been super busy with the YouTube channel, with work, with school. But anyways, enough rambling. Hopefully the pool is open. I mean, the rec center is so absolutely dead. Like, I have not been in the rec center this early. I think this is the earliest I've ever like filmed a YouTube video, matter of fact, and the earliest I've actually like played a sport or like actually worked out. So good for that. Gonna head over to the pool. Hopefully it's open. It should be. And get a little swimming with the Apple Watch Ultra. So stay tuned. thing is, the Apple Watch Ultra, right when I got into the water, it signified that there was a water intake, and so it closed all the speakers and microphones that where water does not get into the watch. And then it started depth sensing and automatically doing open swim. So it is working pretty good right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I did put my phone underwater, or else you're gonna see subtitles, which would explain why you can't hear me. So I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, so we just came into the dry sauna. It is pretty good. I am drying up with big sense. So yeah, we did about 20 minutes of swimming. I'm not sure if you heard me too good while I was in the swimming pool because obviously water got inside the microphone. But the old folks on the open lane swim got a little mad that I was doing my own thing on the other side of the pool, and so they got the lifeguards to kick me out, which is weird because I was just filming myself and there was nobody else in the pool. So yep, and pool policy says that as long as you're filming yourself and you're within frame, it's legal, it's fine, there's nothing wrong with it. But we're gonna surrender in peace. I've been in the sauna for about 15 minutes, which means I should probably head out, rinse, dry, head back home, get a proper shower in, get the fit ready for the day, and then we're gonna head over, probably meet up with Dexter because we're spending the rest of the day with him. So catch you guys later. Normally I don't get up, like normally I work out at home.
I see.
Yeah, but today
no, doesn't matter, like even if you do at home, discipline. Like in army or other armed forces, what they teach you is first number.
Yeah, I make like YouTube videos on tech reviews.
Right.
So I got the Apple Watch. I was testing it out at the swimming pool, like the waterproof feature and all of that.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I had the Series 8 last year, but this one is like a lot more sturdy, so it's nice. Well, appreciate it. Have a great day. Thank you. Alright guys, so we just got back to the house. Impressive enough. I was just speechless right there because a 5-minute Uber trip, it's minus 25, which is why I didn't walk outside, from the rec center back to my house was in fact on a Tesla Model Y Ultra Long Range 2023. The guy got it shipped from Texas to Alberta 4 months ago, so it was a brand new black interior Model Y, which was super cool to be in. And it is currently 8:51 a.m. The Apple Watch Ultra was pretty amazing this morning. I did start off the day with this battery percentage, and currently we are at this battery percentage, taking into account that it did workouts such as basketball and open swimming. Unfortunately, I did not get much content in the swimming pool because, as I mentioned in the sauna, the old folks in the open lane swimming told the lifeguards to kick me out because I was breaking pool policy, whatever that means. But it was all fine. Anyways, as I mentioned, 8:52 a.m. now. We're gonna get a quick little shower in. Dexter just texted me, so we're gonna see what's going on with that. Guys, so we just got to West Edmonton Mall. Ends up that we did not eat. We're just gonna eat over here, and then we're also heading over to Studio 99, which is like a 5-star buffet lounge later. So we're actually at Nike in West Edmonton Mall, brand new store. So we're gonna check that out, have some fun, spend the day here. Just some B-roll and cinematic until we head over to Studio 99 and Rogers Place for the game. So enjoy. Alright guys, so we did a little bit of browsing, shopping and all of that. It is currently 1:23 p.m. and the Apple Watch is at 38%. So it was at about 50% this morning. I did use it for notifications, directions, and a bunch of stuff. I hope you're enjoying the B-roll footage, but so far, so good. We're gonna go play mini golf, so stay tuned. Alright, so we just finished the street racing, as you guys can see from the little time lapse. It was super fun. What do you think about it, Dexter? It was pretty good. It's pretty good. So we're just gonna chill, probably head over towards downtown right now because it is about time to head over to Rogers Place for the game. It is currently 3:04 p.m. on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So far, it has been a very fun watch to use. I love the bigger screen size as well as how my notifications, everything come in. It is at 35%, so it's holding up pretty good considering that we did not charge it overnight and we did use the sleep tracking and swimming and all of that. We're currently on the European Street, I think it's called, in West Edmonton Mall. So I'll catch you guys later. Enjoy the cinematic. Alright guys, so just grabbed a little coffee at the Tim Hortons back there. So we're actually just inside Loblaws in the Ice District because we're looking for the washrooms. So I'm gonna do that and then head over to the lounge. So I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, so we just got to our seats. We got our snacks and our soda. So enjoy the game. It's gonna be noisy, so I'll just do lots of cinematic footage. I'll catch you guys later. Game just finished. As you can hear, my voice is completely done. The Oilers won 4-2 when they started off 2-0, or I should say 0-2. Maple Leafs had 2, so we were down by 2. We came back up. We won the victory. 11-game win streak. I mean, it's amazing. There's Rogers Place in the back. Debating if we should take the Valley Line LRT, Capital Line. Watch your backs while you're in downtown at 11 p.m. and take the Uber. So debating which one is going to be more efficient. Obviously Uber is going to be more expensive, but might have to take the hit. So I will catch you guys later. The Apple Watch Ultra, it is the day in the life, has been holding up pretty good. Been getting my notifications. I have also been able to check the camera footage while filming on my iPhone, so it's pretty impressive. Apple Watch is currently at 21%, pulling up pretty good. So catch you guys later. Guys, the day is finally over. My voice is completely gone. It is 11:30 p.m. and the Apple Watch Ultra is at 19%. So this is the battery when it started the video. So it's pretty good. Anyways, it was an amazing day with the Apple Watch Ultra, 2nd generation. I woke up at about 6:30 and here we are at 11:30. Just as I mentioned, we would end our night at around midnight. Amazing game. The Oilers won. Let's go. Amazing watch. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for following along. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already, share, comment, and follow all our socials at @TechRificItIs. It's been Alex. I'll catch you guys.